Look what we have here, boys. Come in the post this morning, got it from Jessop's. I had the Mavic Air Mini originally, but I just found it too toy-like. The camera is very limited, it didn't have follow. I just kept losing signal all the time, every time I flew it, because it's only on Wi-Fi. I don't know much about drones, but I know this one's a better option. Let's take a look inside. New toys. Come on. Nice box, so there you go, look at that. There's a nice, decent bag. Cool. You get 12 spare props, so that's 4 full sets. Nice. Oh, there she is. Let's take a look. Oh, that's a lot better. That's a lot better. The Mini just felt like it was nothing, but this got sensors on the front and back, obstacle avoidance. And obviously on the bottom. The gimbal on it, the camera is mind blowing. I think it's, don't quote me on it, but I think it's either 42 or 74 megapixel, 4K, 30 frames per second. Oh, the controller. Let's take a look at this. Oh, that feels nice. Nice bit of weight to it. Better range. The Wi-Fi on the Mavic Mini, just every time I flew it, it's just when you lose signal and you lose video feed. Switches for the different settings on the front. Got tripod, which is really stable, normal or sports mode. Return to home. Power button. Gimbal. And record and camera button there. The phone holder actually is the antenna as well, so that's good. And you get your cable goes in there. I think this will be the batteries. Yeah, there's a battery. You get 3 batteries in all. Oh. So there's a power brick. UK plug. Second battery, 2 batteries, 1 battery's already in it. Charging bay. Let's see what's in here. In here we've got, oh nice, some spare sticks. This is so you can connect it to your batteries. It's got USB, so you can charge your phone. So you plug that onto the battery, and then you've got USB plugs. Don't know what this is. Let's have a look what this is. Oh, pack of filters. They're not meant to be much good. They could kind of wear out really quick, these ones, but I've never used filters, so obviously that's something I'll progress to when my photo skills improve a bit. Nice set of filters, quite expensive to buy on DJI store. There's the cable that I'll need. USB Type C. Yep. So once you've got the right cable, it goes in there like that. Plugs in the controller this end, and this end's just a holder, and then you just wrap it around, and then it folds away nicely. Nice controller. This feels like an Xbox controller in my hand, to be honest with you. Nice nice ergonomics. So you get 2 different types of blades. You get the ones with the silver rings that go on the motors with the silver markings, and you get the ones with the black rings to go on the motors with the black markings. To get them on, you get the black on the black, push it down and twist it around and they lock in place. There you go, controller on charge, operator's ID, stick it up, propellers on, let's take it for a flight.